If you're like me, you love your little W.M. Crooks Marx passenger set, but you just feel like you've been living in the silent movie days. Well, as Red Green would say, I got a way to fix that. We put a Lionel whistle unit in the baggage car of this Crooks passenger set. The installation is pretty much identical to the NKP 941 tender that we did. And so we thought we'd let you check it out, and so we made a little video. Here's my custom switcher, the sound of power tender, to add a little more realism. Because the Crooks passenger cars have open windows, to hide the whistle unit, I took some vellum paper, printed out pictures of my kids, my wife, my grandkids in it, kind of hide it. One thing that's kind of interesting, a little history, this train actually did go through my hometown of Corning, New York, eastbound on the Erie Main Line in 1939 on its way to the World's Fair on the way to New York City. Because room is so tight inside with the unit, to put the trusses on, I used a JB Weld steel stick to hold them in place. I like to use it. It dries really quickly. It dries hard. It works great. Also used a wiper pickup on this one. They're available through Robert Grossman. I highly recommend him for your Marx parts. So if you're looking for a fun, easy project to do, just get yourself a Lionel whistle tender. You can find them on eBay. You can find them at train shows. If the shell's broken, they're even cheaper yet. And you can take the whistle unit out, the two bolts that hold the motor mechanism on. You just have to grind the heads down a little bit so the unit will fit up inside the Crooks passenger car. I chose the baggage car to put it in. And God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord. And as Red Green would say, remember, if you can't be handsome, be handy. Take care.